Birthday decoration ideas at home are absolutely essential to create a delightful and enchanting atmosphere for the big day. By incorporating personal touches and elements, such as handmade greeting cards, vibrant and festive balloons, themed decorations, and charming and eye-catching tableware, you can effortlessly make your celebration truly unique and memorable for the entire entourage. How to plan and create stunning birthday decoration ideas at home. Follow these simple steps, and you're sure to have an amazing party. Creating birthday decorations at home can be a fun and creative way to make a celebration special. Here are some ideas for DIY birthday decorations that you can easily make. Step 1. Balloon garland. Materials needed: balloons in various colors and sizes, balloon strip tape, and a pump. Instructions: inflate the balloons to different sizes using the pump. Insert the balloon knots into the holes of the balloon. Strip tape to create a garland. Hang the garland on a wall, doorway, or across the room for a colorful and festive look. Step 2. DIY banners. Materials needed: colored cardstock or paper, string, scissors, glue, and markers. Instructions: cut the cardstock into triangular or rectangular shapes. Use markers to write letters on each piece, spelling out happy birthday or the birthday person's name. Attach the pieces to a string using glue or tape, and hang them up as a banner. Step 3. Photo collage wall. Materials needed: printed photos, string or fairy lights, mini clothespins or tape. Instructions: print out photos of memorable moments with the birthday person. Attach the photos to a string or fairy lights using mini clothespins. Hang the photo collage on a wall to create a personalized and nostalgic decoration. Step 4. Tissue paper, pom-poms. Materials needed: tissue paper, scissors, and string. Instructions: stack several sheets of tissue paper and fold them accordion style. Tie the center with a piece of string and trim the ends into a rounded shape. Gently pull apart each layer of tissue paper to create a fluffy pom-pom. Hang the pom-poms from the ceiling or use them as table decorations. Step 5. Table centerpieces. Materials needed: mason jars or vases, fresh or artificial flowers, ribbon, and decorative stones. Instructions: fill mason jars or vases with decorative stones. Arrange fresh or artificial flowers in the jars. Tie a ribbon around each jar for added decoration. Place the centerpieces on tables to add a touch of elegance to the decor. Step 6. DIY confetti balloons. Materials needed: clear balloons, confetti, and a funnel. Instructions: use a funnel to fill clear balloons with confetti. Inflate the balloons and tie them off. Scatter the confetti balloons around the party area for a festive touch. Step 7. Chalkboard sign. Materials needed: chalkboard or black poster board, chalk or chalk markers. Instructions: write a welcome message or birthday wishes on the chalkboard. Place the sign at the entrance or near the party area to greet guests.